back only a part of the entire mass of products produced by it. And as we have just seen, the other portion which the capitalist class retains, and which it has to share at most only with the landlord class, is increasing with every new discovery and invention, while the share which falls to the working class per capita rises but little and very slowly, or not at all, and under certain conditions it may even fall. But these discoveries and inventions which supplant one another with ever increasing speed, this productiveness of human labour which increases from day to day to unheard of proportions, at last gives rise to a conflict, in which present capitalistic economy must go to ruin. On the one hand, immeasurable wealth and a superfluity of products with which the buyer cannot cope; on the other hand, the great mass of society proletarianized, transformed into wage labourers, and thereby disabled from apportioning to themselves that superfluity of products. The splitting up of society into a small class immoderately rich and a large class of wage labourers devoid of all property brings it about that this society smothers in its own superfluity, while the great majority of its members are scarcely or not at all protected from extreme want. This condition becomes every day more absurd and more unnecessary. It must be gotten rid of. It can be gotten rid of. A new social order is possible, in which the class differences of today will have disappeared, and in which, perhaps after a short transition period which, though somewhat deficient in other respects, will in any case be very useful morally, there will be the means of life, of the enjoyment of life, and of the development and activity of all bodily and mental faculties, through the systematic use and further development of the enormous productive powers of society, which exist with us even now, with equal obligation upon all to work. And that the workers are growing ever more determined to achieve this new social order will be proven on both sides of the ocean on this dawning May Day and on Sunday, May the 3rd. Friedrich Engels, London, April the 30th, 1891. End of introduction.